Hello everybody, welcome to the box break for the 2012 Bowman Signature. I realized the items ended last night, so I just wanted to show you, there's no particular time, but I'll let you, it's the day after, first thing in the morning. Alright, let's go over the teams. Bengals, Broncos, Jaguars, Dolphins go to Frankie F. Vikings, Patriots go to Maria L. Panthers, Saints, Jets, Raiders go to Juan C. Packers, Eagles, Chargers, Buccaneers go to Brian L. Bills, Bears, Texans, Chiefs, Seahawks, and Titans go to Todd L. Colts, Redskins go to Clay T. Rams go to Brian N. 49ers go to Derwin H. Steelers go to Fred S. Giants go to Jessica Z. Lions go to Thomas B. Cowboys go to Ed R. Browns go to Tom F. Falcons go to Aaron G. And then Ravens and the Cardinals go to John V. Okay, so without further ado, let us open the box. Wait, keep forgetting this. Let's go over the serial number. That is serial number LF337208115. Alright, now let's open up the box. Alright, empty box. So, I will have one more of these Bowman Signatures coming up this week. Then I also have a box of Triple Threads, 2011, and then a 10 box case break of 2006 Leaf Limited. So there's 1 pack, 2 packs, 3 packs, 4 packs, and 5 packs. Alright, so let's open them up. Let's use the scissors. Alright, the first card is a Jaron Kreiner, rookie card for the Raiders. A LeGarrette Blount for the Buccaneers. A Orson Charles for the Bengals. And the hit is a Jacoby Harris, rookie auto. That is going to Frankie F. Turning buyer, got a nice one there. Pack number 2. First card is a Matt Forte for the Bears. Second card is a Matt Flynn for the Seahawks. It's the first card I've seen of him in a Seahawks uniform. And then the hit is a Nick Toon helmet auto rookie. He's a wide receiver for the Saints, and that is going to Juan C. New buyer, gets a nice hit there. Next pack. Okay. First card is a LaMichael James rookie for the 49ers. Greg Jennings for the Packers. Aaron Rodgers for the Packers. Cam Johnson for the 49ers. And a Jermaine Kearse. Looks like wide receiver for the Seattle Seahawks. That is going to Todd L. Nice hit there. First card is an Eli Manning for the Giants. Next is a Lamar Miller and Chris Rainey. That'd be going to Lamar Miller. I do not know which team he was drafted to, so I'll have to figure that out. Then the hit is a LaMichael James, San Francisco 49ers helmet auto. Second one I've seen of these. This one is going to... Let's see, where's the... Derwin H. Nice hit there for Derwin H. Let's see, let's hope this is something nice. Alright, the first card is a Cyrus Gray rookie for the Chiefs. Ben Roethlisberger for the Steelers. Doug Baldwin for the Seahawks. Austin Davis for the Rams. And a Chris Rainey auto running back for the Steelers. Card is going to Fred S. It's a nice one for Fred S. Alright, so let's go over the hits real quick. Start from the last pack, which is Chris Rainey, auto for the Steelers. The LaMichael James helmet auto for the 49ers. The Jermaine Kearse auto for the Seahawks. Jacoby Harris auto for the Dolphins. And then the Nick Toon auto for the Saints. So, thank you. And be sure to come back and check me out. I will have, again, another box of this Bowman Signature going up. As well as 2011 Triple Threads, which is a pretty nice box. And a 10-box break of 2006 Leaf Limited. So make sure you come back. Thank you.